In today's lesson, I will demonstrate the next method, newCachedThreadPool. This is the newCachedThreadPool method. Let's briefly review the theory. Threads are created on demand. From 0 up to an unbounded number, threads are created only when needed. That means when there are tasks. Threads are reused when they are idle. If it has no task to execute and becomes idle, wait for 60 seconds. The 60 seconds is the default keep alive time. After waiting 60 seconds with no task, the thread is automatically terminated. There's no queue. There's no upper bound on the number of threads. First, we create many tasks. 100 tasks. The sleep of 100 milliseconds simulates doing some work. Here we retrieve the current thread. The current thread name. Here, we submit 100 tasks. Then, after that, we let it sleep for 5 seconds. Sleeping for 5 seconds is still less than 60 seconds. Not yet. Only 5 seconds. So, the threads used to process these tasks have not been terminated. They are not destroyed yet. They are still waiting for tasks. After waiting for 5 seconds, once all tasks above are completed, execution continues here. We review the threads created above. Here, then we submit another 100 tasks. So, in total, 200 tasks are executed, but there are only 100 threads. Because the threads are reused. Now we run it. Here, we can see the output shows 200 tasks executed and only 100 threads. Here, the thread count is only 100 because threads are terminated only after 60 seconds, and here we only slept for 5 seconds. This approach is suitable only for cases with many short-lived tasks. Short tasks. Tasks with short execution time. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.